Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell options on Thinkorswim. First, log into your Thinkorswim platform and navigate to the Trade tab. Here, you can search for any stock symbol to bring up its options chain. This chain displays various strike prices and expiration dates, allowing you to choose the contract that aligns with your trading strategy. Understanding these elements is crucial for making informed decisions before you proceed with any trade. Once you've identified an option, click on its bid or ask price to open an order ticket. Decide if you want to buy a call or a put option based on your market outlook. Then, specify the number of contracts, your desired order type, like market or limit, and the price you are willing to pay. Always review all the details carefully before confirming and sending your order for execution. To sell an option you already own, navigate to your Monitor tab and locate the position. Right-click on the option and select Create Closing Order. This will pre-fill the order ticket with the correct contract. You then choose your order type, such as a limit order, and set your desired selling price. Always double-check all the information before confirming to close your position. Regularly monitoring your open options positions is vital for successful trading. Use the Monitor tab to track performance and make timely adjustments. Consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses or take-profit orders to secure gains automatically. This helps manage risk effectively. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your space. Remember, consistent management is key to navigating the options market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.